Hello everybody, my name is Elias at Boulder Ridge Country Club Bar, and today we're going to be showing you how to do the Raspberry Martini. So first, we're going to start with our raspberries. We're going to put 5 into the mixing glass. We're going to take our lemonade, just a splash, put that in the bottom, and then we're going to muddle it all together. Now that we've got all that lemonade and raspberries muddled together, we're going to go ahead and grab some ice. And then we're going to grab our Grey Goose vodka. This is Boulder Ridge Country Club. We're not using Skull, we're going to use Grey Goose. We're going to put 2 ounces of Grey Goose vodka into our concoction. And then we're going to put a splash of Chambord liqueur. Some of you may recognize this liqueur from the Boulder berries here at Boulder Ridge. It's one of the secret ingredients. Don't tell anybody. Put just a splash in there, about 1/4 of an ounce. That's going to give it that kind of sweeter raspberry taste, where the actual raspberries are going to give it that tartness. And once we get that shaken up, we're going to pop our glass off, pop a strainer onto the top to strain out any of those bits of raspberries that we have still in there. We're going to grab a nice chilled martini glass and strain. And voila, we have our famous Boulder Ridge Martini. Cheers.